everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm Aditi and I hope you all are doing great. So guys, this video is all about my latest Sarojini Nagar purchase. So I went to the market last month और मैंने बहुत सारी shopping करी है. So 2 slaps for procrastinating to film this video for so long, but I have finally made some time out. मैंने ये video बना लिया है, तो I am really proud of myself. And I'm super excited to share all this stuff with you guys. I just want to say one more thing before we get into the video is that this is the best time to go and shop in Sarojini Nagar because पहले तो बहुत टाइम से बंद था और now that it is open due to COVID वहाँ पे उतनी भीड़ नहीं है, तो फिर it's the बेस्ट थिंग एवर. बिल्कुल जाइए आप मार्केट में, बहुत ही पीसफुली आप शॉपिंग कर सकते हैं. बट एक ही दिक्कत है ना कि अभी दिल्ली का टेम्परेचर 30 to 40 डिग्रीज के बीच में है, तो गर्मी बहुत ज्यादा लगेगी. तो इफ यू कैन बेयर दैट देन गो एंड शॉप एज मच एज यू वांट बिकॉज इट्स वर्थ इट. बेस्ट थिंग अबाउट माय इंटायर कलेक्शन फ्रॉम दिस हॉल इज दैट सब कुछ बहुत पॉकेट फ्रेंडली है. इन जनरल भी सरोजिनी नगर बहुत सस्ती मार्केट है, बट आपको शॉपिंग करने आना चाहिए. विदाउट एनी फर्दर ड्यू लेट्स जस्ट गेट स्टार्टेड विद टुडेज वीडियो. सो गाइस, द फर्स्ट thing that I bought from the market is this top. This is a really nice knitted fabric. It's a very good off-white top. It is stretchable and I love the color. I love how it looks. I absolutely love everything about it. I can pair it up with anything. बहुत ही ज्यादा all-rounder top समझती हूँ मैं इसको. ये jeans के साथ भी अच्छा लगता है, trousers के साथ भी. It can be worn as a formal top with a blazer या फिर as a casual top with a jeans या फिर skirt, anything, and you're just good to go. So this top I bought for ₹100 only, so it's amazing. So the next top is this. Guys, this is a lilac or lavender t-shirt that I bought, and the first time I saw a t-shirt like this was at H&M. और H&M में ऐसे टी-शर्ट्स कलरफुल एंड न्यूट्रल 400 रुपीज में मिलते हैं, if I'm not wrong. बट सरोजनी नगर में मुझे ये H&M के टैग के साथ वाली टॉप मिली है for ₹200 only. I have worn this t-shirt in one of my videos, A Day with Me, जिस दिन मैंने फिल्म किया था, उस दिन मैंने यही टी-शर्ट पहनी थी. तो I really love how it looks. बहुत ही ज्यादा comfy है. So guys, the next thing lined up is this really nice beige top. I absolutely love the color. Very nice ruffle sleeve over here, and it's a full sleeve, and I like full sleeves quite a lot. Basically this is like a tunic top. You can see the length of this top is so much, so this can also be worn as a mini dress paired up with a nice shorts underneath. So I love this top a lot, and again this is yet another 100 rupees top from my entire collection. I am in love with this one, so I just can't wait to wear this one. Guys, the next thing that I'm going to be presenting to you is this top. Guys, this is a very nice off-white top, which is again 100 rupees top, and I absolutely love everything about this, starting from the color and the fabric and the sleeves, and the whole look of this top is just too good. I absolutely love the way it turned out when I wore it with a beige pant. So I like this top quite a lot. I cannot wait to wear this yet again. Another top that I bought is this one. This is a very nice cami top. I love the color. It's rusty and giving a very nice summery vibe. It is coral. Whole texture which is running throughout the top is very nice. I love such vest tops. And another very pretty thing about this top is the ruffles which are running throughout the top. And this top is for ₹150. Moving on is a very nice cami top, and that is this one. I'm pretty sure that you can guess how nice it's going to look if it is well kept and paired with a very nice jeans or a shorts for that matter. Super stylish, and it is giving such a nice summery vibe, and the color again is to die for. Olive green. It's just love, and this is for 100 rupees. The moment I saw this I was like, ये तो मुझे चाहिए ही चाहिए. So जैसे मैंने इसको देखा, मैंने तो इसको इंस्टेंटली ले लिया. तो 100 rupees top, worth it, love it. जो अगली चीज मैं आपको दिखाने वाली हूँ वो है ये. This is a bodysuit, and the best thing about this bodysuit is that it has a sexy detailing going on over here. और जो इसका नीचे का क्लोजर है, it has 2 buttons over here, so it is very convenient. जल्दी मिलता भी नहीं है ऐसे बॉडी सूट्स with this button or whatever this is. So it has this. क्योंकि मैंने एक और बॉडी सूट लिया है जो मैं आपको दिखाने वाली हूँ, पर उसका जो नीचे क्लोजर है it does not have this feature, तो you have to literally just remove it if you have to visit the loo. और इट इज फुल स्लीव एंड ऑफ कोर्स इट इज ब्लैक इन कलर. मुझे कुछ समझ नहीं आता है तो मैं ब्लैक ही ले लेती हूँ. किसी भी चीज के साथ मैं पहनूं इट इज गोइंग टू लुक वेरी एलिगेंट. एंड द रीजन वाई वी एक्चुअली वेयर बॉडी सूट्स इज दैट हम उसे इन करते तो वो बाहर ना आ जाए, तो वो एक बहुत ही ज्यादा स्लीक लुक देता है, विच इज द बेस्ट थिंग एवर. And that is why I love wearing bodysuits in general. I like this quite a lot. I'm yet to wear it, and this is for only $150, which is like a win-win situation going on here, because 150 में इतना अच्छा black color का bodysuit is a good deal. So I love this quite a lot. So guys, the next product that I'm going to be showing you is this nice black halter neck top. I absolutely love this. I wore this twice and everybody was just complimenting me. I was like, तुम्हें तो पता भी नहीं है ये 100 रुपए का. So I really like this. इसका फैब्रिक बहुत अच्छा है. It is ribbed fabric actually. I actually love ribbed. Not a lot of people would like to wear ribbed clothes. Initially I thought कि ये एक defect है तो मैंने ध्यान से घूरा, and then I was like, oh दूसरी तरफ भी it's like that, so must be a style. And if you know how to style it, then you are going to steal the show. So this top is again $100 top, which is a very fair deal. And so I have another halter neck top which I bought from H&M, and that was for ₹800. And this was very similar to that top, and it is only for $100. And it has no issues in this. The quality is also very nice. So I actually love this one. The next thing that I have here is this very basic strappy cami top, and I know you must be judging me right now कि यार सारा कुछ काला काला क्यों ले रखा है. But guys, you know, I mean, this is a very comfortable basic top, and you know how you would like to just stick to your own comfort zone and just be the way you like, and you know, stay there. So I'm also very similar to you in that way, and I like to wear things which I feel very comfortable in, and I do not like to experiment a lot when it comes to clothes. I do experiment a lot when it comes to skincare and you know, makeup products, but clothes I just want to stick to, you know, certain things which I absolutely love wearing and I'm just very comfortable in. And this is a top which is very similar to that. You can wear it throughout the day, and the fabric is ribbed. I've made it quite obvious that as of now I am obsessed with ribbed fabric because it is my new vibe. So yeah, I like this. It came for ₹100 only in Sarojini, and such basic tops also when you go to a branded store you get it for rupees minimum 300, 299 to be precise. So yeah, ₹100 was a very good price for something like this, which I would definitely, whenever I go to my wardrobe, I would love to again and again stick to something like this. In case you're thinking that why is she buying only black stuff, is because I have made like this section in my wardrobe which is absolutely black. So that is like the biggest pile now after this haul, and I do not regret it because it kind of makes me happy that whenever I'm confused I would certainly pick one black top and I'm done, and I do not have to waste a lot of time in thinking what should I pick. So guys, the next top that I'm going to be showing you is definitely my vibe, and I'm pretty sure if you watched my previous video you would know why I'm talking about this. The vibe is because this t-shirt right here is so cute. Sunflowers, I mean dude, a white t-shirt with so many sunflowers all over it, and mentions I don't care. I don't care. I mean, I really don't care. I mean, that is what I am all about. Whoever knows me or doesn't know me will always see this vibration or bubble which is all over me, which is completely like I don't care. So this pretty t-shirt lying there for ₹150. I was like, dude, are you kidding me? ऐसा लगा था ये manufacturing नहीं लिया, बहुत ज़्यादा हो गया. So basically I love this. 5 out of 5 t-shirt for me, and it is $150. This fits me like a glove, and I'm pretty sure that if you visit Sarojini Nagar Market you're going to find a lot of t-shirts which has prints and graffiti of your choice that you absolutely love, and I found mine and I hope you find yours. So very good deal in $150. So peeps, the next thing that I have here is this bodysuit which I was talking about previously when I was showing you the other bodysuit. And yes, this does not have a closure which is detachable, so I might have to struggle when I wear this, but oh my god, the print is to die for, and I would have actually died also if I wouldn't have gotten this because my friend Garima had already purchased this. She bought 2 bodysuits together and very similar in the lines of this one was the other one that she bought. That was also very cute, but this actually took my heart away. And when she said that she's already bought it, and I was like, oh, okay, fine, if you like it. But then she was so kind and sweet to give this to me, so I got this. And this is something that I am absolutely waiting to wear outside. I wore it once at home and I just fell in love with this. This top was for rupees 150. It is worth every penny. I just love this, and it is underwired to support you, so it is just winning my heart again and again. This is very close to my heart. Okay guys, so it's now time for some shirts here. In case you are wondering why are there no bottoms in this video, because twice it happened with me that I bought jeans and they were like the best jeans ever. I mean, they looked exactly the way I wanted them to be and they were like my dream jeans, and I just like, now it's kind of giving me BT कि वो मुझे नहीं आई और मुझे बहुत सैड हो रहा है. उस टाइम पे ऐसे देख के मुझे लगा कि ये तो मतलब पक्का मेरी साइज होगी, बट गाइज मतलब इतना डिसअपॉइंटमेंट, मुझे याद भी नहीं है कि मेरे को कब हुआ था. They didn't fit me. They didn't fit me. और मेरे थाई से ऊपर वो गई नहीं है. मुझे बहुत बुरा लगा. I was literally, I mean, I can't even tell you. It was like a lesson learned for me. This time when I went to Sarojini, I just avoided any bottoms whatsoever. The next category that I'm going to be showing you is shirts only, and these are like there are times when I have to have formal shirts and I'm just like, "Hey yaar, kahan hai?" That is the reason why this time I invested some time and money into few shirts which I knew I would require in the future. First shirt that I'm going to be showing you, my hair, which no matter how pretty it looks, it's just not behaving, so I just need to tame them. Yeah, better. It's tough. Life is tough. Now that we are much more comfortable, which is like the most unparalleled feeling, comfort, let's not waste any more time and show you the shirt that I have, and that is, do you see how classy this shirt looks? And can you guess the price of this one? I'll give you 2 seconds. Got it? This is for rupees 100 only. I mean, this, I can't even tell you how shocked I was when I saw this shirt in those khadiwalas which says 100 rupees only, and I was like, it is such a soft fabric. It is so nice, so clean also. It did not have any defect, and I washed it and then ironed it, and it is just something that I would love to wear if I have a formal event or a formal date or anything of that sort. I would just pair it with a pencil skirt or trousers or maybe wide leg pants, and it is just going to give me a very elegant look, and I'm sure of that. Awesome. The next shirt that I have to present to you is my go-to shirt, and I've already worn it like almost 4 or 5 times in a row, and that is this oversized white shirt with a very minimalistic check detail going on, and it is 100 rupees shirt. So I use this as a shrug, you know, that vibe where you just put on cami top and you still need to cover yourself up because Gurgaon and Delhi. Put on your baggy jeans or a skinny jeans or leggings for that matter, lower, whatever you like, but you want to put something on over your cami top, so you go to this shirt. You would want something like this in your wardrobe. 100 rupees oversized shirt, love it. Last shirt in this haul is the most classiest shirt that I've ever seen for its price, and I am really proud of this one. All thanks to Survi. She was there to guide me through. She was like, Aditi, you're not going to wear this. Tell me how you're going to style this. I'm super happy that I did not waste a penny without any more buck and gyan. I'm going to show you the next shirt, and that is this. I can't stop admiring this one. This is like so pretty. I mean, the color everybody should have. I wore it once and I felt so confident in this one. I cannot even tell you. This was for rupees 200. I love this, and this was the last shirt in this haul. So guys, इसी के साथ मैंने आपको सारे कपड़े दिखा दिए जो मैं सरोजनी नगर से लाई थी. जितने भी टॉप्स, शर्ट्स, कैमी टॉप्स, टी शर्ट्स, जितना भी कुछ मैं लेके आई थी वो ये थे। अब मैं आपको दिखाऊंगी कुछ ज्वेलरी जो मैं सरोजनी नगर से लाई हूँ। आई डोंट नो आपको कैसे लगेंगे, बट वो मुझे बहुत बहुत प्रिटी लगते हैं and I'm yet to wear few of them. So the first jewelry that I bought from Sarojini is this beautiful earring that I am wearing today. This is a lavender or lilac piece and I just love it. ये actually एक hoop earring है और इसमें जो यहाँ पे tassel detail दिया है, this is so pretty. You wouldn't believe I bought this for ₹30 only. This was like standing out. It was looking very exceptional. So the next jewelry piece I got is a pair of jhumkis and this is the one that I'm talking about. This is the prettiest thing on earth and I can swear by it. And I bought this for a special someone, but somehow this was not their style, so I had to take it back. And I think I am in love with this. It's white in color और इसमें यहाँ पे झुमकी में जो detailing है, it's very pretty. I bought this for ₹100 and I love this quite a lot. So guys, this is how this jewelry looks. This jhumki and it's so pretty. Oh, okay, I'm so sorry. So the next jewelry is a very pretty statement earring and I cannot even tell you how gorgeous that is. And that is this one. You see how beautiful this is. And I'm gonna just, bring it closer to the camera. You see how pretty and gorgeous these earrings are. These are like the biggest and the most statement earrings I've ever owned. So I'm gonna just wear and show it to you. I had planned to film few reels wearing this. Uska time और मौका नहीं मिला. I'm waiting for the right opportunity, but here it goes. This is how it looks. This is the prettiest statement earring I've ever owned or for that matter seen. And I love how it looks. I'm not too sure if a lot of you would like to wear such a big earring, but depends on the occasion also. कभी कभी हमें चाहिए होती है for some occasion something which is so gorgeous. And I bought this for ₹150 only. I just don't feel like removing it. ये इतना सुंदर है. It's pretty. Okay, so the next jewelry piece is like a very pretty choker necklace, and that is this one. You see this? This is how it is supposed to look. I'm not gonna actually wear it and show you. I just love how it is. It has earrings also along with it. This is how the earrings are. And there's one more which I bought from the same shop. So basically it's not like a shop. There is this lady, this auntie who sits there and she sells very pretty Indian jewelry pieces at a very reasonable rate. And you can bargain also. So she quoted ₹300 or something for this one. And the second piece that I got from her was this. And the moment I saw this, I knew that I have to buy it. So this is how it looks, and it comes with a pair of earring. It comes along with a tika. So yeah, this one. So guys, you can guess the price. I bought both the jewelry sets, this and this, together from the same auntie, and I got both of them for ₹500, which is the biggest deal. It's like a steal deal. Moving on, I'm gonna be showing you the bag collection that I bought. So the first bag that I'm gonna be showing you is this. This bag is a very classy jute bag. This bag I bought for ₹300, and I'm pretty sure that you have seen a lot of jute bags online or in stores like H&M and Zara, and they are always more than ₹1,000. This has become quite literally my go-to bag, and I think it's completely worth it. Guys, the next bag has to be my most favorite. This is the Baguette bag that I'm talking about. Why I love this and I'm obsessed with this is because it is white in color, and I don't think there's anything more prettier than a white color bag. It adds so much to your whole look if you accessorize properly. It is a spacious bag with some pockets over here so you don't lose your coins or your lip balms. So this bag is for ₹500. The next bag that I have is a sling bag, and that is this. This is the bag that I'm talking about, and it has a very nice golden chain along with it. I love the color of the bag and of course the texture. It has this snake skin texture and it is like a hard bag. I love the shape of this bag. I'm pretty sure you know how much the shapely hard bag is in trend, and it has so much space, and I got this for rupees 400 and I knew that this is coming home along with me. And now I will be moving on with the next category of items. And पता नहीं, मुझे तो लगता है ये वीडियो बहुत ही ज़्यादा लंबा होते जा रहा है, बट मैं क्या बताऊँ, मैंने इतनी सारी शॉपिंग करी थी उस दिन की खत्म ही नहीं हो रहा है. एनीवेज, अब मैं आपको दिखाऊंगी मेरे शूज जो मैंने उस दिन लिया था. फर्स्ट shoe is this one, and this is black in color. It is a very minimalistic shoe. I got this for rupees 399 from a store. So guys, the next footwear that I'm going to be showing you, this is the footwear that I'm talking about, and I bought this for rupees 350 only, and this actually looked like a very good quality product. I love the detailing, I love how it looks. Okay my lovelies, so the last footwear that I'm going to be showing you is the cheapest footwear, and it looks very pretty and very aesthetic also. These chappals, I don't know, मुझे ये बहुत अच्छे लगे. I mean, these are quite cool. You can pair it up with your jeans, kurti for that matter. You're just good to it. They are very comfortable. I can't even tell you. And these are for rupees 200. I wore it once and I absolutely love how I felt when I wore this. That's that. This video should have just ended right here. बट मैंने कुछ ऐसी भी चीजें ले ली हैं जो किसी भी कैटेगरी में नहीं आती. They are just random stuff which you will find at Sarojini Nagar. The first thing is this very cute little watermelon pouch that I got. This for rupees 50. It's very handy. I mean, I can just put my lippy and my card and my AirPod and just walk off. Next thing in my miscellaneous item list is this very pretty bottle. I bought instantly when I saw it. The major reason why I could not resist is because of the price. It's for only rupees 100, made of glass, and it has this plastic case on it. Carry it anywhere I go nowadays. It's very handy. So guys, the last miscellaneous item from this haul video is going to be the last product, and that is this very pretty modern art painting. I love this one, and I got this for rupees 150 only, and this adds so much to my room now. I don't actually hang it now, I just put it on my side table and it looks so colorful and aesthetic, and this is completely my vibe. So this is the last product in this haul video, and that would be all guys. This is all I bought from Sarojini Nagar, and I hope you guys like the things that I've shown. Please do let me know which is your most favorite item from all of this, and also let me know if you hate something. I will be seeing you all in my next video, which will be coming up really soon, and I am super happy and enthralled that I was able to film this video and share all the stuff that I bought from Sarojini Nagar with you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and lots of love, and take care of yourself, stay hydrated and enjoy. Toodle!